Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make money online with affiliate marketing, even if you're a beginner. And some people have used that to create like six-figure businesses without even knowing what affiliate marketing was in the first place when they first started. So in 1 year, just one single year, they managed to go from 0 to 6 figures. And that's not just one person, there are a ton of people that have made that. I'm going to give you all the secrets, the product, the way to do it, everything that you actually need. You can absolutely do that. So, by the way, it's not going to be a get rich quick thing because, you know, that doesn't exist. But that is going to give you the step-by-step process to actually make it happen. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's dive straight into it, and I'm actually going to film my screen right now. So let's jump right into my computer and get things kicking on. Let's go. So this is something that I've showed you before, but it actually needs some explanation. So I'm going to do that right now. So first of all, you're going to have to create something where people are going to find you. You need to do some searchable content, and that usually means a YouTube video or a blog. So you're going to make a YouTube video or YouTube videos because it's not just one video. You're going to have to make consistent content, but the very first thing is to attract your ideal client. So to do that, you need to create some YouTube videos or a blog, meaning you're going to do something that is tailored to the people that you want, your ideal client. So no matter what, you have to be interested in what you do and teach people whatever you know. So whether it's a YouTube video or a blog, that is where you start off, because that is going to give you everything that you need to actually get started. Now you can also do that with paid ads if you have the money, but if you don't have very much money, which most people don't when they first start, then I would highly suggest that you don't do that, because there is a learning curve and at first you will lose money. So I highly suggest that you start with either a YouTube video or a blog. Now you can also do Instagram, that works as well, but you need at least 10,000 followers, I believe, and it's like your audience is going to be not as interested in what you do. So YouTube is the best because people can actually see you, they know you, it's a video, that's where the world is going. But if you're good at writing blogs, you can also do that. So now that you have that, you're going to get, right from the start, you need an opt-in page. And why do I say right from the start? It's because when I first started, I did not do that, and I probably lost a ton of clients not doing that. You don't want to wait till you have 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, 200, 1,000, or even 100,000. You really want to get right from the start, because you never know who is going to click on your link. So what is that link? That link is what is going to send them to an opt-in page. So you're going to get them something that they want. So for instance, your recommendation for whatever it is, your ebook, no matter what, a program that you wrote, or a free course, it doesn't matter, as long as it's free and it's like people can actually go from there. So what you're going to do is you're going to build an opt-in page. Now if you don't know how to build an opt-in page or a program, you can click on the link in the description, like my opt-in page or whatever it's called, and it will give you the cheapest way to actually do that. So if you're interested, just click on that link and it will help you out. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. I'm talking about having something to help you out. So this is where you're going to build an opt-in page. So if you click on that link, you'll be able to build an opt-in page. But if you don't want to click on that link, feel free to not do it. So what that opt-in page is when they land on that page, they will give you your email. They will give you their email. So you're going to give them whatever they want, whether it's your ebook or, you know, the recommendation or whatever it is. You have to actually give them that, because if you don't, then you were a liar. So you really want to do that. So you're going to give them that. You're also going to have a sales video, because a sales video is going to be very, very important, because you're going to talk about what you know. Now, if you have a blog, this can be written, but if you're doing YouTube, then you absolutely need to talk to the people and tell them why that thing is very good, because that is what they want. So you're going to talk about that, and you know why it's so good, why you actually use it, because if you have an affiliate link, there's a good chance that you're actually using it. If you're not using it, then I guess it could be alright if you know that it works, but the things that I promote, I actually use all the time. So make sure that you really know what you're talking about. So you're going to give them that, and then you're going to send them to a sales page. So that sales page is, you know, whatever it may be. Like, it can be an affiliate program to like a course, or it can be anything. I usually do affiliate programs. Well, I always do affiliate programs, because this channel is what it's about. It's about making passive income. So that is how you're going to do that. Now, if you're interested and you don't know what to sell, I have my #1 recommendation also in the description. This will be the very first link, so you can also check that out. So, most people will not buy the first time around. They will buy the second, the third, the fourth time. But remember, right from the start, you ask them for their email. So what you're going to do is, now you have an email list, and you're going to send them emails with value, like helping people out. Like, this is what I do. Like, I will send people some great, awesome value that they absolutely want. So I send them that, and then you send them to an offer, like the very same offer that you were selling them in the first place. And you can send them over and over to that, because that is how people are going to buy it. People usually say they need 5 to 6 exposures to a certain product before they buy it, and that is absolutely true. So you can do that. Now, you can also promote some other offers, but like your core offer, which you first sold in the first place, has to stay your core offer. And you can also attach some other things to it, but the very core offer is the same, that needs to stay the same. Now, maybe you will want to change the offer at one point because you're not using it anymore or something like that, but it has to be something that you're willing to promote for a year and feel like really comfortable to do it. Because if you're not comfortable, that means you're being dishonest with yourself, and therefore being dishonest to other people. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. Now, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.